Hey, it's Molly with chickens.org, and today we are going to be showing you different ways to make a rain gauge. So rain gauges are useful for checking how much rain has fallen over a given amount of time. This is helpful in a big rain, see how much rain you got, how many days you can go without watering, or maybe you didn't get enough rain to water your garden and you need to go back out and add some water. So the materials list for this project is pretty simple. I'm using what I have on hand. So I have a clear jar that's about the same width all the way up, or the same diameter all the way up, so that I get an accurate reading. You can also do this with a water bottle. I didn't want to use this one because it tapers so much. I want to make sure that my readings are going to be more accurate with the same diameter around. But I am going to use this plastic water bottle, cut it here to use a funnel, and stick that inside of my jar. You can also use a 2-liter bottle, and that will give you everything that you need. All you do is cut your 2-liter bottle up here, flip it upside down so that you have a funnel going into the rest of the jar, and then you'll mark it the same as I'll show you later in this video. You're also going to need a measuring tape or a ruler, some duct tape, and a permanent marker, some scissors, and a utility knife to cut the bottle if scissors aren't going to work for you.